Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide an event using Calendly website. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and open the browser that you're gonna use to follow this tutorial steps. So for me, in this tutorial, I'm using Brave. Of course, for you, you can use other browsers such as Google Chrome, Opera, Brave like me, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser could be possibly working for you. Of course, here after opening your browser, you will go to the URL and type calendly.com. Hit the enter button and it will actually take you into the home screen of Calendly website. So for you, if it's your first time using this Calendly website, that will actually not be your home or main screen. So of course you'll have another screen. It will just allow you to create your account from there. So just go from there, click at maybe get started or click at create account. You'll find it there. Follow the steps to create your account, and then you'll find yourself here with a meeting, with this 30-minute meeting, of course. So then when you reach that home screen or main screen, as we said, we would like to hide an event currently. So of course, if you don't have an event, you would like to go and create one. But if you do have one or three like me here, all you need to do, just go to the event that you want to hide. So let's say as an example, I would like to maybe hide this one. So all I need to do, just go here to the settings icon, click on that, and scroll down until this on/off, and don't make this like this. Click on that until it's become on gray, not on blue like that. So as you can see, this is like it's not highlighted as it was. So as you can see, we can see colors in these two events, and this one is actually on gray. That means it's actually hidden. It's not deleted, it's not cancelled, but it just hide it. And if you want to turn it on and make it and hide, just click at turn on here, or do it by from here by clicking it on from here or off from here as well. So that will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.